Hey, it's your nostalgia chicks. You missed us?
Yeah, you did.
You guys got a glimpse of our season 1.
Yes.
But now we've elevated. We got new kitchens, new places.
We are so excited to just get right back into it. And do you know what today is for us?
Fantasy draft day. I know, that's crazy, right? Yeah, we're in a fantasy all-girls league, and we're pretty good at it. So
It's our 3rd year doing this, so I'm really excited to get this team going, but obviously we're going to be hungry.
So today we thought we'd show you what Sunday football would be like in my family and her family. So I'm gonna make an Asian one with this beautiful air fryer. Trying to eat healthier, not soak in so much oil. So the air fryer is perfect because it uses no oil at all.
On my side, we're gonna make some honey barbecue, baked wings. Obviously, you can put them on the grill if you want to, but we're gonna season them up, add a little kick to our barbecue sauce. It'll be sweet and spicy, super yummy, and I'm just really hungry and ready to get this.
Yeah, let's go.
All
right, the key to perfect crisp chicken is you got to wash it and air, what is it?
When she says wash your chicken,
rinse them in water.
yes. Don't be not washing your chicken. I know y'all seen that video. So you just rinse it with water and
Let it dry. Okay. And just some oil,
ooh, that's strong.
You mix it all together. At 400.
Salt, pepper, nothing?
Nope. Okay. You put that in the sauce. The air fryer, 20 minutes, and that's all. And then we'll make the sauce.
Cute honey barbecue wings. You're gonna add some pepper, some salt, garlic powder. Then we got some onion powder. Piss it out, and some paprika. Then we're going to sprinkle a little bit of flour on here, just ready to get a nice little coat. I don't know if I said before, but you want to set your oven at 375. Now I'm just gonna mix this up together. And we're both huge football fans. We've grown up like loving football. My brother played football. A lot of my family members played football.
Right.
I cheered in high school, college. He was on the dance team. So football is a huge deal to us. And then we're gonna wing them.
Smells so good.
So we're gonna throw these in the oven for about 20 minutes, and then we're gonna make the barbecue sauce.
Yeah.
Got you, Zeke.
Okay, so Jess got Zeke. It's my turn. Go Cowboys! We got some chicken wings in the oven. We're drafting some people.
You're just hearing it through Uno's computer.
Russell Wilson or Aaron Rodgers?
I like that.
I'm a roll.
I think the tight end, Jared Kittle. It's nerve-wracking. We're talking. Every girl had their husband telling them. So we're about to prove them all wrong.
Yeah, buddy.
Got the jerky. Made on chicken wings. And we are back. We're ready for our fantasy. Look at it.
Yes, we just finished our draft day, which is amazing. Shout out to the She's Got League.
She's Got Game League.
That was just so much fun. It was great. I got a great team.
We're ready.
In a minute.
Well, back to the chicken wings.
Let's do it.
So I put it in for another like 10 minutes, so probably 30 minutes total to get more crisp in the air fryer. Because remember, there's no fat; all of it dripped out. Usually, you're gonna need like half a cup of fish sauce and half a cup of water. It's the same. So I'll just, since we only have a little bit in there, I'll just put a little. And then I sauteed some green onions with some paprika. Just add a little sugar. Since I only have a little bit, I'm just throwing it in a bag and we'll just toss it around. We'll just throw a couple in the bag like so. Shake it up a little bit and then you gotta take it right out. There you have it. Throw some little green onions on there and there you have it.
Looks great. All right, so now we're gonna get into the honey barbecue sauce.
Yes.
I'm gonna add you just grab your favorite barbecue sauce. I would say about a cup. Add some honey. I like a little sweet tangy and spicy. So I'm going to add just a little bit of cayenne pepper. All right, so I got my spatula. I'm going to mix up my barbecue sauce a little bit. All right, so now I'm gonna add my chicken. These are the ones that came out of the oven. And then we're just going to toss it in the barbecue sauce.
Well, these were supposed to be done for the draft, but
The draft kind of just kept going. It was so fast.
yeah,
You had to focus.
you gotta be so focused.
All right, so now I'm going to put this back on the rack. Right when it comes out of the oven, we're gonna toss it in the remaining part of the barbecue sauce. All right, y'all, so we just pulled our wings out of the oven. I'm going to just brush these, I couldn't wait, with some more barbecue sauce. You can never not have enough barbecue sauce, right?
And what did you say? How your dad usually
So
does
my dad
it?
usually will do this like 3 times. So he'll like put barbecue sauce on it, put it in the oven for 5 minutes, take it out, put barbecue sauce on it, do it a couple times, have a nice, thick, gooey coat of barbecue sauce. So now we're going to just put these on our plate. Get it right at home with your no salad and chicken recipe. Whichever one you're feeling that day.
Yeah.
We have some more fun game day recipes coming up, I'm sure. Just make sure you stay tuned. And
Make sure you follow us on all social media, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter.
we on Yelp now.
Yeah.
Pinterest.
We
Our
on there. Our
website's
website's
coming.
coming
Like, we got a
along.
lot of things popping.
Season 2, we ready.
Yes. And join us on the next adventures of
No shouting chicks.